I swear to God, when I met you, you look to us a very nice heart queens. You are here for giving peoples to help.
Yes.
Without that, your tongue and your face could say you are just like that. And we feel it when you just come inside our stores. We feel people. We are feel energy of the people. You are not saying something
And do something else. Right.
What you say, you just do it.
Yes.
Because that's you from inside.
Inside. Yes, that's the spirit.
I'm happy to meet you.
Yes.
And we wish for you all the nice days coming futures.
Thank you so
for all the rest of your life.
Shukran.
And those here, we are all your family.
Yes.
Anything you need, please let us know.
Yes. Tell them what is your name, sir.
My name is Moody.
Moody, yes. And this is your cousin who
She's
found
my
me
cousin,
outside.
our whole family here.
What is your name?
My name is Ahlam, and welcome to our shop, and welcome to any person. Have a love and one word, and the peace inside him themselves.
Yes.
Okay, and welcome to be here in Egypt.
Yes.
That is your country.
Yes.
For all the people that they love the love and the peace.
And I hope
Yes.
everybody could understand what is the queen is, not just the name, but
No,
the energy,
it's
not
energy.
just the queen names.
Thank you.
So just the responsibility, about
Yes.
yourself.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so
You are
much.
welcome.
Thank you
are
so
welcome.
much.
Welcome anytime.
Yes, thank you. And my sister, give a greeting to all of sisters back in the Gullah Geechee nation where I'm from.
Yeah, be strong,
Yes.
be a good woman. Any way to go there. You are a strong woman, and you can do it everything. You are
Yes.
strong.
Yes.
Be strong.
Be strong.
Be
Be strong.
Yes.
Shukran.
Shukran.
Yes. Peace and many blessings. Much love. On a chillin' with Deya in Kemet with the family, getting our cartouches, getting our shirts, getting love and blessings. And many, many blessings be upon the shop and upon this family.
Same
Peace.
to you. Same to you, queens. Same to you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Brother,
Okay, tell us your name.
my name Toson.
And now we're going back to Cairo.
Cairo.
Yeah, and so we'll spend a couple more days in Cairo and then we'll go home. Yeah.
Where are you going to stay in there?
So we'll be right on the Nile in Cairo. Yeah, we're gonna stay on hotel there.
There's a place in there to stay.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
fine, because if there is no place for you, I can invite you to my home.
Oh yes, but we have a place. Thank you though. Thank
We have a
you.
place,
We appreciate it. Yes,
Because,
yes.
I guess that same blood.
Say like you said, yes, same
I
blood.
told you, you have roots in Africa.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes.
If you are background from Congo
From-
or from
yes.
Kenya or from
Or here.
No,
Or
from
Kemet
here.
or here.
Right here.
Then we know, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have been so many places in Africa.
Oh, you
I have been
travel.
to Kenya,
Okay.
to Tanzania,
My friend went to Tanzania 2 years ago. She loved it there.
where Dar es Salaam or where.
Yes.
I think that's where she went, Dar es Salaam, and then she went out further into the rural areas. Yeah.
And there she speaks Swahili.
Swahili. Yes. Yes.
Asante
Beautiful.
Mazuri sana, asante sana.
Yes. Beautiful. So we hope to be able to come back and bring friends and meet and see you all.
Many of your people
Yes.
to came
Yes.
to Egypt.
To Egypt. Yes.
Yes, and also because, as you know, there is no any difference in between.
Between us.
Right, yes.
Yes, we
Right.
have Same
Same blood.
same blood, same
Yes.
culture,
Same culture.
same tradition.
Yes.
And
Yes.
also, you care a lot about the family as
Yes.
we care about the
About
family.
ours. Yes.
We are not like any other.
Other cultures.
Right.
Right. You're right.
And there is some people that doesn't call them parents
At all.
at all.
Right.
No, we don't have
Right.
that.
Yeah.
Fortunately, we don't have that problem. Yes.
Our child care
About the parents, right.
About
The whole family is
relative.
together and relatives, right? And you try to keep the family close.
Yes.
Yes. Very valuable. Very valuable. Yes.
That's the thing that make us, you understand?
Different.
Different.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yes. So you have to have love in your heart.
Yeah.
You have God and you have your family. Yes.
And we have deep feeling to everyone.
Yes. Yes.
To everyone.
Everyone.
And
Right.
what they have for us.
But
doesn't
we
matter.
have it,
If
yes.
they have envy or nothing.
Yes. We
care.
don't care. Exactly.
Because, at the end, we believe at the
Right.
end that we are going to get nothing. That what we have done only in our life.
Right. Absolutely.
That's
Yes.
it.
And
God be the
yes.
glory.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
If we
Yeah.
are nice to each other,
Yes.
we are going to be the grateful.
Exactly.
Yes.
We go to yes.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
So,
Inshallah.
yes.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
It's been pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you,
I
sir.
wish you all the best.
Thank
and
you.
best of luck.
Thank you.
Yes.
Same to
Thank you, and same to
We'll
you.
pray-
We
we'll
miss
pray-
many blessings
pray
for
it.
the
Pray
shop
with you.
and your
Thank you.
business and your
Thank you.
family.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yes.
sister.
Thank you so much for the hospitality. Yes.
Take care of your. Take care
Yes.
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 of
Take
each
care of
other.
each
Take
other.
care
Yes.
of each other.
Will do. Thank you, sir. Good to meet you. The final journey down through here to the shops we've lived in for the past 2 weeks, it seems. Daily we come through here.
Yes.
So the first person that we met was our friend Simpson.
He's here.
Where's Simpson?
He's here.
Simpson is hanging out in here
Yeah.
today with Marcos. Simpson!
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, I'm diet.
You were
Yeah,
trying to do the diet
I
to
do
fit in
my-
my suitcase? You do the diet?
Yes, I will
So
do
this is diet tea?
diet.
It's helping you to slim down? You'll be ready at 5 o'clock to get in the suitcase?
Okay,
Okay. No?
Next year.
Next year. So yes, so please tell my people at home, what is your name, and tell them a little message about us being here. Everybody here is laughing because he wants to get in my suitcase and come home with me.
Yes, I come with you. Okay, I will make diet and I come with you.
But he said he loves food, so it's not going to happen.
But Marcos is good. Is ready.
Marcos is
diet.
Marcos looks more like he can fit. Yes, Marcos is good. He is ready. Yes. But Simpson, tell our people, give my people at home a greeting.
I hope very nice New Year for everybody and Merry Christmas and everything will be good. We hope next year will be better for everybody.
Yes.
Yeah.
We
Thank
hope
you
so, yes.
much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Blessings to you
Okay.
and to your wife. Yes. So yes, and tell my folks your name
Marcos, I work here in many years in this hotel.
in this hotel,
Yeah.
and we're hoping that when we come back in the years to
We
come,
will
you're
see you
here.
again and again. Really.
Yes. Thank
Yes.
you so much.
You
So-
are so good friend, really. Very good friends, honestly.
Yes,
Really.
we've
And we
enjoyed.
also to keep in touch, really.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Oh,
Oh, that's
so-
right.
yeah, for
Simpson. Simpson was supposed to write
Yeah,
everyone's
okay.
numbers down. Yes.
Okay, my friend.
Yes. So yes,
And
please.
you also nice Christmas and nice New Year, really, and good year, really, and good life really, for all the people.
Thank you so much.
you so much.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you and all of your help and
Yeah.
everything.
And I hope invite will anybody come with you really to visit our shop and our hotel here.
Yes, this would be one of our first places.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, for
yes.
sure.
As you took care of us.
Thank you
We
so much.
appreciate you so much,
you so much.
Marco. So we're going to miss you
And
in coming by every day.
Thank you
Yes.
so much, really.
Yes, thank you. Michelle. Michelle, please send a greeting back to my people.
tomorrow?
We're leaving in the morning.
God bless you.
Thank you.
And we hope to see you soon. And it's very
Yes.
important.
Yes, we want to come back.
Please try to come back.
We are going to
will
try.
come, yes.
And we have your phone numbers.
Thanks so
They
much.
just gave us your phone number.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we'll
First
send-
to
What's
send
that?
me some greetings.
Yes,
Yes.
greetings. We'll do.
For the-
And
for the
and many
holidays.
blessings for the shop
Thank you
and
so much.
everything.
Thank you so much.
Yes, we
And
appreciate
Happy
it.
New Year and Merry
Yes.
Christmas.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much. So good meeting you.
Good. God bless you.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Bye bye.